2827 southbound the Honda from Riverside. Southbound Honda approaching Moore Park at 637.
How's it going, sir?
How's it going, man?
Good.
Do you have a driver's license on you? And your registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah?
5827 southbound Honda approaching Ventura.
Do you know why I pulled you over? Huh?
5827 Ventura approaching Honda.
The one you were asleep at the light. I was right next to you. I put my spotlight on you, man. You were asleep at the light. You're visiting out here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And do you have registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle yours, sir? It's a what? A rental? Oh, okay. Where are you headed to? Where's home? Where's home?
Right here.
Alright, just hang tight for me. Call out, we're just gonna. Hey, Hey, sir. Can you do a favor? Can you step out of the car for me? What's going on? I just need to verify your license, man. That's it.
I just gave you my license, man.
Huh? I need to verify it. I need you to step out of the car for me, okay?
I just gave it to you. I know.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. Sir?
I'm not from out here.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. You gave me a different thing. What is that one? That's your license? Can I see that one? Okay, let me see that one. Okay. Regardless, I need you to step out of the car.
You have my license.
Sir, I need you to step out of the car right now.
What did I do, sir?
I'll explain in a second. I need you to step out of the car for me.
Hey, you're back to your supervisor. You want us to run away? You're responding. Respond west side only.
You're being detained.
Okay?
We have the right to pull anyone out of the vehicle because I understand that.
What did I do, though? Sir, you didn't tell me. That's in the law.
Sir.
You have to tell me why. I need my license.
You're responding to your want us to run away. You ignore the Lamborghini with him.
I will tell you once you're out of the vehicle. I need you out of the vehicle.
I don't have to be out of the vehicle. You have to tell me first, sir. That's real law. I know. I'm real law.
Okay. I understand that, and I know the law as well. I need you out of the vehicle first, please.
No, I'll have to stay out the vehicle first. First.
Sir,
Roger.
I understand that, and I do too.
Sir, I know the law.
I need you to come out of the vehicle, okay?
I know the law. I need my license.
I understand that. I need you to come out of the vehicle right now.
So you tell me I know the law.
Okay, I know the law as well. Look, we're going to go back and forth this. I have a bunch of units responding.
This is a regular traffic stop, right?
This was a regular traffic stop and then it turned into something else.
What is it?
This vehicle is stolen. I need you to come out of the car. This vehicle that you're driving is stolen.
No, I rented this vehicle, sir.
Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I really just did it.
Okay, well, we need to double check and verify things, but I need you out of the vehicle in the meantime. It is stolen.
No.
Hey, stop!
Units responding to Yolanda, Truman Way, 1083, requesting a unit early 100, 1 west of Yolanda with the spike strips.
Where's he going? You might. 1047 pursuit of stolen vehicle. It's going Venus crash, UTC. Vehicle STC on Sherman Way and Van Alden.
There's no frequencies, stand by, 1047 is in pursuit, 5277.
He's got you inside this fast. Let me have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd, major TC damage. Let me get an RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way. I can't tell, dude. Oh, wait. No, I can't tell, but this is the other half of the car.
Next door to the vehicle, 0 way, eastbound, 67, shutting down eastbound, Bangor, 0
Clear, look.
shutting down eastbound traffic, come back to 0 way.
Hey, did you guys see anyone run? Did you see anyone run?
Hey, I didn't see nobody run. It's because we were just inside.
Alright, cool.
Hey, we heard everything.
Just hang out on the sidewalk for me.
1070, Roger.
I don't.
1083, verify suspect in custody.
83 negative, you wasn't inside the vehicle.
Hey, I need you folks stay over there. Stay over there. No.
Stay on the line, please.
83 Roger, we don't have a suspect location or direction of travel yet.
Okay, Roger, we'll take it,
Hey, did I find them?